Today, we're diving into the brand new HyperX Flipcast microphone, a compact, stylish, and versatile mic designed for streamers, podcasters, and gamers who want high-quality sound without breaking the bank. Design build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the HyperX Flipcast is its sleek and minimalistic design. True to its name, the mic features a flip-to-mute mechanism, so muting is as simple as flipping the mic upwards. It feels intuitive and satisfying, perfect for live streams when you need instant silence. Audio quality. When it comes to sound, the Flipcast delivers that signature HyperX clarity. Voices sound natural, warm, and free of distortion. Background noise rejection is solid, especially in cardioid mode, which is what most gamers and streamers will use. Software compatibility. The Flipcast works plug and play on Windows, Mac, and even PlayStation consoles. But if you want extra control, a HyperX Ingenuity software lets you tweak EQ, adjust mic gain, and control RGB effects. It's a nice bonus, though not required, which means you can just plug it in and go. Overall, the HyperX Flipcast is an excellent entry to mid-level microphone for anyone looking to upgrade their audio game. Thank you so much.